Mia? Oh, it's a wonderful day today. Oh, just chilling at the river. It's our falls. Something bit me. It's too long.
I want to swim over there.
No, it's too dangerous, honey. It's too little. Find crabs and stuff. Yeah. There's Caitlin. Come on, Caitlin. She doesn't know how to do a rope swing. You better make sure you let go.
I got a fishy. I got a fishy. I found a fishy.
Hold on. Wait. Let's watch Kayla. Caitlin. Watch Caitlin. She doesn't know how to do it.
Caitlin's gonna do it. Go ahead, Caitlin.
Let go.
This is a fishy.
You got a real fishy. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So did you guys hear it rained oil? Did you see the video? A little skeptical, but that's the case. We're all fucked, people. Enjoy your waterways, your fresh waterways, and while you can, because I don't think we'll be allowed to use any water. What better way to control the populace but to control and contaminate the water? Think about that. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to have a good day today. But, no. So serious shit to think about. Meanwhile, there's a freaking cup in the river that's made from oil floating down. Isn't that ironic? It ain't? Look at that.